North Carolina, northeastern Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. At 2:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and locally 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Multiple storms continue to pass repeatedly across the area, producing rainfall rates of 2 to 3 inches per hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area through 5 p.m. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include North Wilkesboro, Ilkin, Fairview, Jonesville, Dobson, Rhonda, Trap Hill. This includes the following streams and drainages: King Creek, Chestnut Creek, Brush Creek, Basin Creek, Big Bugaboo Creek, Big Sandy Creek, Christian Creek, Camp Branch, Beaver Dam Creek, Big Pine Creek, Camp Creek, and Retrieve Branch. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of flooding, including mudslides or flooded roads, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on X.
Doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Caldwell County in western North Carolina until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northwest of Lenoir, or 8 miles northwest of Gainwell, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lenoir, Cedar Rock, Edgemont, Kings Creek, Globe, Collettsville, Patterson, Upton, and Gainwell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or post it to X using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Caldwell, North Carolina,